Okay, for today's video, I will tell you a story. I will tell you a story from a scary, from Hello Kitty. I know that. Yeah, I know that. One day, the beautiful girl go inside in a haunted house and she found a toy with no face or no mouth. And she and the name tag said Hello Kitty. So she thought laughed, her name is Hello Kitty. And the nice woman just do that because nothing. She's her grandmother, her grandson just died, and she has no mouth. So the devil one, say, "Can you draw a kitten?" And the grandma go do do a, do a cat, but not exactly a cat. She drew a cat with a no face, no mouth, because she remind her granddaughter. And the grandmother gave the doll he has no mouth to devil, and devil is so happy. And devil has no mouth now, and that's all of my stories. Bye bye. Stay royalty. We're out. Peace. Royalty.